Coinbase employee charged for insider trading. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has arrested and charged a former Coinbase employee, Ishan Wahi, with wire fraud. In the complaint, the SEC listed 9 tokens it says are securities which the trio traded. The complaint charges Ishan Wahi, a product manager at Coinbase, Nikhil Wahi, and Samir Romani with violating the securities law's anti-fraud provisions. The SEC seeks permanent injunction relief, disgorgement with prejudgment interest, and civil penalties against all 3. Similarly, the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of New York announced criminal charges against the 3. The SEC claimed that at least 9 of the assets traded, AMP, RLY, DDX, XYO, RGT, LCX, POWR, DFX, and KROM, were securities, making the case fall under the SEC's jurisdiction. The complaint alleges that between June 2021 and April 2021, Ishan Wahi, who worked with the Coinbase assets listing team, repeatedly tipped non-public information about the timing and content of Coinbase's listing announcements to his brother Nikhil and his friend Samir, both of whom used the information to make at least $1.1 million. By doing this, Ishan breached his duty of trust and confidence owed to Coinbase. The complaint further alleges that Nikhil and Samir were reckless in not knowing or consciously avoiding knowing that Ishan was providing them illegal information. Since May 2020, Coinbase, one of the largest crypto exchanges, has used its blog or Twitter feed to publicly announce when it will list crypto assets on its platform. Once Coinbase makes its announcement, investors buy the crypto assets identified in the listing, making their prices appreciate significantly over a short period. With the information Ishan provided to Nikhil and Samir, they would buy the assets Coinbase scheduled to list in bulk and then sell them once the prices had gone up. The complaint mentioned the crypto asset POWR in particular. According to the complaint, on November 12, 2021, Ishan got the information that Coinbase would announce the listing of POWR. Minutes after receiving this information, Ishan called Nikhil. 2 minutes before the Coinbase listing announcement, a blockchain address linked to Nikhil purchased 18,413 POWR for approximately $7,000. Shortly after the announcement, when the price had started to go up, the blockchain address exchanged the POWR tokens for $10,050 in another crypto asset, making a $3,050 profit. In his role as a product manager and as a member of the asset listing team, Ishan knew that the information he was giving his brother and close friend was privileged. He knew, according to the complaint, that he was cheating Coinbase. However, he shared the information multiple times between 2021 and 2022 using a foreign phone with a non-US number, presumably to avoid being traced. The 3 continued their operation until May 11, 2022, when Coinbase's Director of Security Operations emailed Ishan to schedule an interview with Coinbase's legal department about what was called an ongoing company investigation into Coinbase's asset listing process. Ishan tried to escape the country to India, but law enforcement officers stopped him at the airport. U.S. Attorney Damian Williams described the Ishan Nikhil case as the first ever insider trading case involving cryptocurrency markets. He also said, "Our message with these charges is clear. Fraud is fraud is fraud, whether it occurs on the blockchain or on Wall Street." Although the 2 brothers have been arrested, Romani is believed to be in India at the moment. We hope you learned something new in this video. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons below and share this video. If there's a topic you'd like us to discuss, let us know by leaving a comment below.